So to take this upper fairing off, we have to take the headlight out. And to take the headlight out, these are the two bolts, I think. This one right here, and there's one on the other side. I used a 10 mm, just like a simple wrench. I am loosening them out, and once I loosen both sides out, I'm gonna try to take it out and take a video of that. Two bolts right now, one on this side, one on the other side. That's the other side. The one is out. It's actually a bolt, and the nut is actually in there already. So I'm gonna take this one out, and then we'll see how we take it out. I'm doing it for the first time also, so we learn as we go along. Okay, so I took the thing out. All it is once you took those two bolts out, this and this, there's a little thing right here. This and that is going in here and here. So just pressure it out and it will come out. And now I think I'll be able to access this, I think, oops, this bolt right here and the other side, and I think that should be it. We'll keep, that's a 4 mm bolt right here. I'm taking it out, and I'm going to take it out from the other side, and I think that should be it. I should be able to pop that thing out. Both sides are out. I think it'll come out just like that. I think there must be a pressure switch somewhere that I need to pop, but if you see, it's pretty loose now. Should be able to pop somewhere out. I'll let you know if there's some trickiness to it, but I don't see any trickiness. Let me see. There's another pressure switch here. I don't know what to call it. It's pressure switch or whatever. Pressure point. This one is right here. It just pops out. So these are the two screws on the other side. And that's the unit that's out. Post this video before, I think when I opened this thing up, one of these things fell off. I found one, I can't find the other one, so I'm gonna look for that. You don't have to be party to that, but just when you open this, please make sure there's two of them in there, one on each side. So just be careful. Bye-bye. I'm gonna look. So guys, to put it in there, we need to get these screw clips. I don't have any, I have to order. They are in the Ducati original. There's a screw clip in there. Remember to get that screw clip if you don't have any, because the motor composite part that came with it didn't get any screw clips. So I have to get a screw clip now, and then we're gonna further do this. So to put this piece up, I needed to find a screw clip and a screw because it doesn't come with it. The Ducati OEM had a screw clip in it with a screw hex nut, but this didn't, so I had to get something from Amazon. I'm gonna put it together and I'm gonna show it to you. All it is, it just goes in there and that's it. When you're closing it, these are the two pressure points, and this is the knobs that go in, and it needs to sit on these screws. This thing needs to sit on this, and then those two positions, those two holes need to be filled with You know what I mean? Like these knobs right here, right? Those knobs, they go in here, and that's it. I found to do this is sit these things on this here first, and then put these nuts on loosely, very loosely, so you know they are in position, and then press the knob on the top, and that way it works fine. Don't forget this little piece. This little piece goes before this right here. This goes on top, and then this nut goes on top. Okay, don't forget this. That's how it looks. I think it looks better than the OEM for some reason, I think.